Yeah, hi, welcome to today's video. We are going to be looking at lead magnets today, and we're going to be looking at 9 lead magnet ideas that you can create in under 60 minutes. So stay tuned right to the very end because I'm going to show you where you can actually go and obviously create these as well. But in the meantime, let's jump across to the desktop and we're going to run through the 9 lead magnet ideas that you can start today. Okay, so before we actually start going through this actual article and giving you those 9 lead magnet ideas, I just want a quick shout out to Thrive Themes. This is where I got the idea of this video, and you can pick up the whole of this article in more detail over on their website, and I'll put a link in the description below here of where you can actually go and read that through. But we're going to be going through it in speedy fashion and giving you those 9 ways right this second, so make sure you stay tuned obviously right to the very end. We're also going to show you where you can go and actually create these lead magnets. If you didn't know what a lead magnet is, a specifically designed web page collect visitors' details so that you can add them to an email list, and it basically, the page solves a issue or a problem that they are looking for. You'll find out exactly more about this as we go through this video. So without further ado, let's jump on and crack on and do a number 1 in the list. The first of these lead magnet ideas is solve a micro problem with a free PDF. A free PDF on many different things that you can actually use, and here's the landing page quickly that you could actually use for that idea. So some examples of this could be close more sales calls with these tested techniques to mentally prepare. You'll never be a successful magician until you learn to palm cards. Here's how. And the perfect batter mix that you could use time and time again. So these are sort of ideas that if you're in those niches, but of course obviously you can do this for any niche, guys. So you just got to come up with something very, very simple that you could give away a PDF about that. So number 2 on the list is create a fancy pants checklist. Now checklists are brilliant. I give away checklists all the time, and this could be anything. Checklists are really easy to actually go and create as well. Here are some samples you could use. So create a simple branded template using Microsoft Word or Apple Pages, saving it as a PDF. Use this technique time and time again so you're not reinventing the wheel each time. Keep your checklist of 15 items or less, okay? Repurpose existing blog content. You could use a checklist about that. And you could also use a checklist for a limited, the introduction and final call to action for just a few short paragraphs each. So these are easy ways to actually use a checklist. So the third one is you could shoot a cell phone video. So everyone's got cell phones these days, and you can literally just shoot a video, and you could obviously put it up on YouTube, add it to your website as well. So number 4, and that is answer your audience most common questions. So if you've got in a niche where there's loads and loads of questions being asked, you can actually gather all those answers together and you could put them in an ebook. And then you get a lead magnet of which people can then sign up for and get all the answers they need. And some of the examples could be the top 10 things that every new parrot owner needs to know. Now this is very random, I know, but this just shows to show you that any niche can be done with email marketing. We asked 8 couples what they feel about the most important for a strong, enduring marriage. Here's their answers. You're not alone. Download the What You Need to Know fact sheet about teenage acne. All those sort of things. Ideas are unlimited, so it doesn't matter what niche you're in, you could start creating an email list. Okay, trust you're enjoying this video. If you are, now's the time to smash up the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel right now and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified every time we make a new video. Okay, back to the video. Okay, back to the video now. And like I say, number 5 in our list, recommend a list of awesome tools and resources. And again, this could be a very quick download. Could even just be a list of resources and links to those resources. Brilliant idea if you're an affiliate marketer, because obviously you could link to all the affiliate programs on these particular products and obviously get the commissions when people actually go and join them. So this is a great one for affiliate marketers. Some of the ideas. You could 8 tools that every new blacksmith needs, 10 smartphone apps to bring your video editing to the next level, and don't go on your next hike without these 8 essential pieces of gear. And again, with those you could link to Amazon and join Amazon Associates as an affiliate and get paid to obviously promote these pieces of gear. So number 6, offer a practical downloadable template. People love to use templates for different things because it speeds up their work. So giving them downloadable templates is a great way to actually start building an email list. A few ideas for this could be get organized with our printable bullet journal, download customizable character sheets for your next D&D session, and obviously a family tree budget template. Get your finances back in the black. Again, that one obviously does ring true really well at the moment with everyone struggling with the cost of living crisis. So number 7, like I said, we're nearly there now. Host a super simple fun quiz. And again, you can create a fun quiz very, very easily and very simply. And I'm going to show you how you can do that at the end of this video. A couple of quick examples. Think you know your horse breeds, take our quiz and find out. Improve your writing by taking our interactive grammar quiz. Number 8, share a curated collection of files. Okay, so again, you could put loads of different pieces of information and files together in a big bundle and offer it to your mailing list. Some examples of this could be here are 20 industrial custom fonts, vehicle sound effects MP3 collection or something like that. You could also use 3D modeling files for space flight and aviation, or even 12 royalty-free piano tracks. So again, some simple ideas there that you could actually use. So the last one is provide access to a component of your main offer. And again, this is really easy to do. So if you've got a course, a video course, or if you've got a book, you could offer download a free chapter of the book or a free first 2 videos of your video course, anything like that, that will get people. Obviously, one, they will be looking at your content and they're going to want more after that. So then you could obviously use the offer as an upsell, obviously, to this lead magnet. So those are the 9 lead magnet ideas that you could obviously build within 60 minutes. Now, the way I do this at the moment, build all my lead pages, I use Thrive Suite. Okay, so once you jump over and look at the whole article here on Thrive Themes, you could then go and check out Thrive Suite. And it's a WordPress plugin that you could use to create conversion-focused landing pages. Okay, and it obviously gives you loads and loads of different templates in there that you could then adapt to your own branding, etc. Don't forget to check out Thrive Suite when you check out the main article over at Thrive Themes. And like I say, the link is in the description below here to the full article that we've just run through, which gives you more in depth about each particular idea. Also, if you're looking to actually make the templates or the cheat sheets or anything like that, Canva is a great way that you can actually go and do that. And you can do this in a matter of minutes using some of their templates, and then you can obviously just download them and upload them straight to your website where you can actually host them. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. Again, if you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you will get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.